Nongiatreilang ki Salesian, ne Salesian Cooperators Jong Shillong Province, kilalum ya Jingiakynduhlang ka basaupun riu jong ki ha auxilium nong thamai, na do ka arpuwe hadu arpu tarik nailur hajar arpusau. Kapang pedeng jong kani Jingiakynduhlang mentau snem kalong. Make the Dream a Reality was inspired by the Strena 2024, the dream that makes you dream, a heart that transforms wolves into lambs. Yakani kedor bar play la penyai de sekretari ke Seng ba sempian kan. La sedang yakani ke Jingiakynduhlang da ke Jingiat procession ka balara don burom ya ka ketien ublei ke Project of Apostolic Life PAL bat kilama ki ba peni ya baro arpu arteli ki center bat arteli ki center ki ba kwa ban ya selok bat kate ke Seng ki Salesian. Kinong syembenta kila kerpat ya kajing don rengkat jong ublei lengba kajing thang ya kasyarak bat kijing puli na kajing tho bakhut bat ka PAL. Ha kajing kran kumukongsan u Father Jivan Lakra Vice Provincial jong ka Shillong Province ula penslur ya kajing ateli ha pedeng ki dekot jong ka yeng Salesian. La pedeng ngobha ya baro lengba kajing syat bot sa kijing pentip bat jing batai ya ki ka tu ka ni kijing jia ki ba kongsan kentup ya kijing pen i ya ki kai pot kijing akran ha ki kenhun bat ki we ki program. Hakasingi khadu kata haka arpu tarik unailur la sedang daga jingduai menstep bot saka jingkran ba layalam de upadar Joseph Aniku Zikatil SDB Provincial Delegate ubala batai halor ka PAL. Uba Marcus Mayong ubadai Provincial Councillor ulapan ya kaneka session. Hadian kani lapan bot daga jing penmenta ya ka Eucharis pakut hakapor Shipho baje da upadar John Zusiama SDB Provincial Jong ka Shillong Harengkat ke jing senran lang sangut ki wei pat ki padar, ki sestar, ki reuniam bat ki Nongiatreilang jong ki Salesian. Hadirin ke jing paria ya ka ketien ublei ki Nongiatreilang ki Salesian ki lapen thamai ya ki jing kular jong ki. Endala wai ka jing le niam Eucharis lapen kup burom ya ki nong wan bat ki kongsan jong kete ka sngi ki baken top ya upadar John Zosiama SDB, Sister Rosa Pengrob FMA, Bak Charles Pengrob MLA jong ka nong thamai, DC ke Kong Rosetta Kurba bat Bak Cyril Dingdo bat ki wei.
Peit sol ganang borok ni bagai kui thonoi tonglayan. Tamni hamba Bosco donbosco rubo. Sini tongma no Seng sensar sewai na sumsok ni bagai Seng mazra bero. Peit bini kok thairo Khuborjylla sanai nai layana. Te bini paitha bobotoi engno nai layana. Tomu sol borok kaitor ni borok hengke kaitor bono subanai.
Kajing pan mentoy smet anta kadon kajing kurma bat ka akor bojat harukom Henry kajing star kepada Jong kalong ningkong kabapui nanda kalong kabayasuk kabajajai kabakung Seng kepada kajing Shillong bat kikam sukun kabaklan kajing artatin ladi kajing arsa. Wadiyongso jong kahong label ha kajing su daki tu kiba penyesu. Kai berpeni ya kitma, bat kai berpeni ya kijing ya kajia hatadan jongbi. Hatu om day kijing wa berai jongbi. Kibaya kema apa dijengkot mer jongbi pikwa berpimyo kumta pipenya berpipyuhun berpimla penyo kumta piyasyo berpiyale kema pimyo nabar berpimpan pipan berpimyo ya namar pipan berkelas But Kendubyo pendut agi jingrai jongki kaktim jongkrai.
They had argued with one another about who was the greatest. And he sat down and called 12, and he said to them, if anyone would be first, he must be last of all and servant of all. And he took a child and put him in the midst of them. How can we render a service to our local church, maybe to the young people, maybe to the community where we belong and we come from? That Jesus in the gospel tells us this one. When the disciples were quarreling among themselves and asking, who is the greatest among us? Who is the greatest among us? Who is the greatest? So the question that is often asked is this one. Who is the greatest? Who is the most important? Who is the most important person? Who can do better? That is always the question that is asked among ourselves. But Jesus explained to them, in order to follow him And in order to preach the gospel, to be his disciples and missionaries, not very important these things, the qualifications or the great achievements, these are not important. He set an example saying that you must become like a little child. How can we be like little children, a little child? A child is the one who is always depending on parents. A child is the one who is very insignificant. A child is the one who trusts his parents and fathers. So these qualities we need to have in order to serve others. A child is also simple, innocent, and humble. We can all say that. So many good qualities are they have. So we have to be like little children means we have to humble ourselves.
Bosco, but in Seng, Samla, Jong, Seng, Nongiatreilang, Salesian, dan Khubor, Jong, Catholic, dan Peit
Khubor no phais ngi ladon ka open session nakabenta baroki center banya mirjingmut ban shim yakarai nakabenta ka Jingiakynduhlang jong u snemban 1 bala penya do ba Nicholas hadian kani ka sister Christina Kharkongor FMA kabadai ka provincial delegate kala penhiar ya kalama bat ka provincial secretary kala ai ka jingkran ai Khublai sngongo lapen bena baka jaka ban penlong ya ka provincial congress ka ba shisian shisnem ka ba saupho nyau kan long hanong ston center da ka ba u provincial coordinator ula IT ya kalama sha u local coordinator ja ka nong ston center lapen kod ya ka program da ka jingruai ya udon
The whole center for the 47th Annual Provincial Congress of the Association of Salesian Cooperators 2025 will be Nongstone Center. So now I request the local coordinator of Nongstone to come forward to receive the flag. Center requesting for the permission to host the next Congress. So we are very happy that Nongstone Center came forward, and now Lily is coming. She is the local coordinator of Nongstone. She will receive the flag. I request Sister Delegate.